Alright, how you doing, guys? This is Sean, Foster SC Mods, and I'm just going to go over unboxing what's inside your sound tube kit real quick. So you're just going to pop it open, and you're going to pull out contents. You're going to get a sound tube. You're going to get a package of the all the items that go with it, the grommets, 90 fitting, and the drill bit. You're also going to get a specific sheet for your kit that basically tells you the contents. I usually go over everything here and check off, put a date and my initials on it to verify that I did check all the items in this bag are accounted for. You're also going to see that I leave my contact information on here. Reason being is sometimes these get installed by a shop, and you know, a customer might bring this to this kit to a shop and say, "Can you install this?" And they don't have the instructions. The instructions for all my manuals are online, and the customer who ordered will get the link, a download link to the manual right after they order. So obviously the shop doesn't have it, and sometimes the customer forgets that he had the download link in the original email after he ordered. So you can call me here, you can text me, you can go to my email address here, and I can resend you the link anyways. So that's no problem. So the contents here, you got your sound tube, and you're going to have an end here with some of the sound tube exposed. The heat shrink is about an inch and a half to inch and a quarter away from it. This allows for it to be installed through the grommet and through the firewall. This is the firewall end. The other end here is the end that's going to go into a hose barb. This kit here is a 15 to 17 Roush kit, and what you got in it is 90-degree hose barb, your diaphragm cap. Your diaphragm cap has this tape on here. I put on here just to protect the clear film that's on the other side. That's the here's one that hasn't been covered. This film right here is a tight, durable membrane that you don't want to puncture. And the reason when in shipping, I cover it like this is so if it's bouncing around here, it doesn't hit the edge of the drill bit here. It's got a sharp edge on it. So this is your step bit. And this is what you're going to use for drilling both the firewall and your inlet pipe. Firewall gets drilled all the way through, 1 3/8 inches. So you're going to burrow all the way through with it. Easily done. Cuts very fast. And you also then use it for drilling your inlet pipe, which is going to be drilled to 1 1/4 on the inlet pipe. That's the second to the last step right here. And then you have your 2 grommets in here and a razor blade. Razor blade used for trimming insulation. On a lot of the kits you need to trim some insulation off. So you got these 2 grommets. This grommet here is for your inlet pipe, the small one. And once you've popped you cut a hole in your inlet pipe, which is basically right here like this. You've cut a hole, you've installed the grommet in the hole, then you're going to pop this through with some grease. You're going to pop this through into there, and that's your inlet connection. This grommet here is what you're going to use for your firewall. Once you've drilled through the firewall all the way through, you're going to pop this in there, grease it. I like to grease the channel around the cut edges of the firewall to protect it. And then you install this, grease the inside here, And then you're going to install this end through the grommet that's in the firewall. Now, I have a separate video that explains how to narrow this end down. This I used electrical tape that cinches this down, narrows it, and then when you grease it, you're able to punch it through very easily with one hand. Otherwise, it takes some effort and a little bit of time to do it. So look for that tip and trick on the electrical tape to narrow down the end of this sound tube here. And that's pretty much it as far as what you're going to get in your kit. You're going to get your sound tube, your grommets, zip tie to secure the sound tube away from headers or anything like that. You're going to get your diaphragm cap. It will be covered, so you're going to have to take the tape off. Be sure not to damage the clear film. That has to be intact, cannot be damaged, no hole in that. And your razor blade, and 90 degrees hose barb, and that's pretty much it. All right, thank you.